Want to supercharge your Shopify store's credibility and conversions? First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps. This is where the magic happens. We're going to find an app that specializes in importing Google reviews. In the search bar, type in Google Reviews Importer or a similar term. You'll see a variety of apps pop up. Do some research and pick one with good ratings and a pricing plan that fits your needs. Some popular choices are Judge, Looks, or dedicated Google Review Importer apps. Once you've chosen an app, click Install. This will take you through the app's installation process, which usually involves granting it permissions to access your Shopify store data. After installation, find the app in your Apps section and open it now. You'll need to connect your Google Business profile. Most apps will guide you through this process, which typically involves logging into your Google account and granting the app access to your business profile. Make sure you select the correct Google Business profile location that corresponds to your store. Next, you'll usually have options to customize your import. You might be able to filter reviews based on rating. Choose how many reviews to import and map the fields ensuring the reviewer's name, date, and review text are correctly displayed. Finally, preview how the reviews look on your product pages. Make any necessary adjustments within the app settings to ensure they're displaying correctly and are visually appealing. And that's it. You can now import those amazing Google reviews to boost your store's trust.